Samsung is going to launch Flip 5 earlier, and before the launch, it gets a real competition from one of the best flip phones out there in the market. For those who don't know, Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is out, and it is going to nearly outperform the Flip 5, but Flip 5 is the real beast. Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with the bigger cover display, but the only downside of this display is the new folder design. So we get a cutout near the camera lens. The display size is 3.4 inches, and this is how it looks like. Quite bigger compared to the last generation Flip 4, which was at 1.9 inches. But Razr 40 Ultra comes with a 3.6 inches edge-to-edge cover display, so a slightly bigger on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Samsung is doing one thing better, where they black out the area around the display, so that way you cannot see the folder design on the Flip 5 until you light up the display. For now, the refresh rate is not clear, but it will surely come with a 120Hz refresh rate for cover display. Due to a bigger cover display, Galaxy Z Flip 5 might not come with a bespoke edition, as one half the phone will be all black. But you can make your own bespoke edition on Galaxy Z Flip 5. These are the new colorful cases for the Flip 5, and by using this, you can make your own color combination on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. We even get the hands-on video of a case for Galaxy Z Flip 5, which confirms the folder design, and the fingerprint scanner is on the right side. The camera information of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is here, and it is kind of disappointing. Although we didn't get flip or foldable phones for cameras, but having a decent camera setup on your daily driver is must, as we're going to get a 12MP main shooter and a 12MP ultra wide, same as last year. Only the sensors are changed and the quality will be a little better. Due to a space limitation, we cannot expect the big camera numbers on the Flip 5. The durability of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the most important part, as it is coming with a new hinge design, where it is already tested. Flip 5 is here with the new teardrop hinge, which will help Flip 5 being a flat folded device, so it can prevent some sort of dust, or I should say everyday dust or pocket dust. But there is no official dust certification, although IPX8 rating for water resistance is still available. And the interesting part is, when this hinge design is tested, it can last about 200,000 to 300,000 folds, and after 200,000 folds, it will have the strength of 85%. And for an average user who fold and unfold the device 100 times a day, your Flip 5 will last about 5.7 years, which is almost half compared to other foldables, but more than enough for a foldable device. The crease on flip phones is not well managed in previous flip devices from Samsung, but now it's changed. By getting a new hinge design, which is teardrop, we are going to see a less visible crease on Flip 5, near to what we have seen on Oppo Find N2 and much better than the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung changed the launch location of Galaxy Z Flip 5, and we are going to see Flip 5 back where it came from. Samsung will do the next Unpack event in Seoul, South Korea, and the dates are confirmed. In the last week of July, an expected date is 26th of July, and phones will be available in the market between 7th to 11th of August. If you want to see the new color options for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, you should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.